everyone. Nice to see you here. So thank you for having the time to join for the live demo with the Zebrunner team. So I'm Elvira. I'll play the role of moderator here at our webinar session. So actually, we talked today with you about how to automate test results analysis with Zebrunner. So I believe that Alessia, as our product success manager, could share with you more knowledge on how to use Zebrunner in your personal purpose. So how to make your testing process effective, and actually how to work with a growing number of test cases, of test runs. So I believe you'll get a lot of knowledge here. So hope, Alessia, we could join, we can start. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone.
Okay. Hi.
Yeah. Yeah, so actually the agenda for today, Elvira told you a little bit about it. So we'll know how to detect the flaky tests. We'll understand how to recognize failure reasons with Zebrunner, how to control releases with milestones, how to measure product quality with live dashboards, and how to manage several QA projects within one workspace. So actually, for now, I just wanted to tell you a few words about Zebrunner itself. So actually now, Zebrunner is a full-scale test automation management platform that helps you fix issues faster, deliver with confidence and with high quality, thanks to different valuable features that Zebrunner has. Actually, one of the features is consolidated reporting to check quality trends. So with Zebrunner, you can be sure that your quality, your product quality is always under control, as you can check the failures with rich test artifacts like videos, screenshots, logs. You can use our feature with test runs history to track the test stability of your tests and perform smart reruns. You can manage the growing number of tests with favorite filters. So actually, this allows you to organize thousands of tests easily and manage them like in a few clicks. With Zebrunner, you can manage the customized dashboards and create multiple widgets from different templates. We've got like tons of metrics that you can set up exactly for your needs, for the needs of your project. And with Zebrunner, you can be sure that you get a scalable execution, as our Zebrunner hub allows you to run up to 1,000 threads in parallel in like less than 10 minutes. So this really speeds up your test execution. And as I told you, Zebrunner is now a test automation management platform, as recently we released the project management feature that allows you to manage several projects, several testing teams in one workspace. So this can be really helpful for QA managers and other business personas. The same thing with the milestones. You can track testing progress with milestones, plan the timelines for releases, control that you meet all your deadlines, and yeah. So moreover, Zebrunner provides integrations with third-party tools and frameworks. Actually, we've got a really big set of integrations. I'll show them to you a bit later, but I can say now that recently we released integration with Zephyr Scale test case management system. And from now, if you use Cypress or NUnit agents, you can also integrate with Zebrunner to push the results directly there and analyze your tests. One update that's coming soon is the improved machine learning and AI-based failure analysis. So it'll be really easy to automatically detect all the failure reasons for your tests, without any manual work. So this feature will be released soon. As I just wanted to say a few words about projects in Zebrunner. Actually, why I'm talking about the projects. Projects are like a basic concept in Zebrunner. As with Zebrunner, you can manage several testing teams within one workspace. So imagine that you have several teams inside your company, and all of them use their own infrastructures. They use their own integrations. They use their own testing tools. So they all need for sure safety of their information, of their test runs. They need to integrate with different set of tools. So with Zebrunner, it's now really easy to do this, as all the information is separated for different projects. So I'll show you this just now in a few seconds. So yeah, how to get started. Actually, I just wanted to show you that if you don't have a workspace in Zebrunner yet, you can easily do it even now by just setting up your organization workspace. You'll get the free trial. You can use it for 30 days with all the premium features. So all you need is to provide your basic information and email, and that's it. You'll get the link to your email. So let's, I guess, see what's inside Zebrunner tool. So yeah, here we are. We are inside Zebrunner now. You can see the test runs grid with all the test runs that were executed in this particular project. So let's see what other sections we've got here. So here are the dashboards. You can see all the recent dashboards in this drop down. You can execute and analyze your test runs on test runs grid. You can create and analyze and manage milestones. I'll tell you about them a bit later. So the project members and for sure integration. So let's go step by step, and I'll show you just how our project management looks like. So you see there are 8 projects. Actually, I just wanted to mention that we use Zebrunner for testing Zebrunner. So yeah, this is the project. This is the workspace that we use on our daily basis. And I'll show you just how it looks like in our project. Yeah, so you see there are many test runs here, and they all differ from the ones that I'll showed you about. So the information is always separated. So I'll just start with launching some tests, and I'll show you how it really looks like. Yeah, so here I've got a set of Karina demo launchers. You can actually add your repo from GitHub if you have it, or you can integrate with your testing framework. So you can use TestNG, JUnit, Cypress, NUnit, PTest. So any framework that you use, you can integrate with it with Zebrunner and launch your test from there. And moreover, you can integrate with the service provider that you use. So if you use Browser Stack, Source Labs, Lambda Test, anyway, you can integrate with them and launch your tests easily. So let's see, let's launch a test now. Yeah, so you see it's in progress now. So I think it's time to show you how you can manage your test runs. Actually, Zebrunner provides several features for collaboration inside the team, so you can easily share your test run results with your teammates. So yeah, you can mark as you can send your test run as email. You can export it to HTML and share it with your team, or you can mark a test run as reviewed. So, for example, if you visit the workspace and you've already checked your test, you can leave a comment for your teammates, mark as reviewed. And here we are. So we've got the comment, and so yeah, your teammates always know that you already looked through it. So one more feature that I wanted to tell you about is smart reruns. So imagine like if you have within one test run, you've got like 100 of tests, and only 10 of them are failed. So you can rerun all tests, or you can rerun only failures. So if you rerun only failures, this can save really a lot of time. So let's rerun. Actually, the same test is being rerun. So this really saves your time. So let's go inside the test run and see what you can check here. So here is the basic information about your test run, the environment, the platform and browser, the number of pass and fail tests, the duration, and the date of starting. Moreover, you can see all the tests inside your test run, check the stack traces for the failed test, understand the failure reason. You can check what test sessions were executed within this test run. So you can play the video of your tests and see how the test passed. Yeah, you can group your tests by by label, for example, and see how they're grouped. Or you can sort them by different parameters. So you can actually choose only fail tests. So if you, for example, have again 100 of tests and you want to see only failed ones, so please just click on the button and they are all sorted in the order that you want. So actually you can link an issue. So if you use Jira for your test case management, you can easily link your test results to the particular test. So this is linked automatically. And the next time when the test fails with the same stack trace, it will be automatically linked again, and you'll see this red label. So you'll always know that it's a known issue, and yeah, everyone knows about it. So let's go inside and see what we've got here. So actually here are the business logs. So you can check every step of your test and understand on which step something went wrong. You can check the visuals. So you can check the screenshots to understand what was going on. And again, you can play this video like I did before. So yeah, maximize it the way you need. Check all of the information related to, again, link an issue if you didn't do it before. And one more feature that I wanted to show you is our test history panel. So Zebrunner collects all the 10 last executions of the same test in one place. So you always can come back to the previous executions and see how your test ran. So you can see how, for example, how the duration changed with this icon. You can see if the test run was linked, to Jira. So I just prepared a very good example of test history from other tests that I found. So actually, you can see that this test was passed, was failed. So it can be considered as quite an unstable one. So yeah, you can check what was good, what was wrong, and yeah, make some conclusions about the test stability. So this really saves a lot of time and allows to understand the reasons. So let's come back, I guess. Let's come back to the test runs and see. So all our tests are already executed. So we can again go inside, see what's happened, what's going on. Yeah, so now on the test runs, you can see these labels with a flag and with the name. So these are basically the milestones. So let's come back to them because milestones are very much located to test runs. So milestones are like a smart way to organize your test runs logically. So for example, if you test some feature, if you test some features like in parallel and you need to separate your test runs somehow. So this is really helpful. So you can create a milestone. Yeah, by default, only open milestones are displayed, but you can visit all the completed milestone to see the progress, or you can like check all the milestones that you had. So let's try to add some milestone and assign a test run to it. So let it be like demo milestone. We can set any date. So let it be today and the due date. Like let it be this one. You can add a description if you want to better understand what's it needed for. Yeah, so you see we've created the milestone and it's displayed in the list now. So let's check how we can, what we can do with the milestone. So let's try to assign some tests to milestone. Just let's go to the settings and assign it to milestone. So let's choose, for example, our new one and press assign. You see this label has appeared near this test run. So you now know that it's related only to this feature or the planned release. Moreover, milestones. So yeah, anyway, there are several milestones displayed here. So we can reorganize it a bit and make it in a bit more smart way. So I'll just show you our smart filters. So let's choose a milestone. Yeah, let's choose it from the drop down. Okay, let it be like this one. And let's see what. So here we are, we see all the tests that are attributed to this milestone. So we can save this filter. Like we can name it the same way as a milestone, press save. So these filters, they can be both private and public. So if they are public, all your team members will see this exact milestone, this filter. So they'll be able to choose it and have quick access to all test runs within this milestone. So, or you can create your own filters if you plan to use it only on your own. And moreover, if you have like several dozens of filters, you can choose some of them as your favorite, and they'll always be on top, so you'll never lose them. Yeah, so I guess this was all for the test runs. Yeah, so we've come back to all the test runs. I'd now offer to see how to create the smart and flexible dashboard. So after you execute your tests on a daily basis, you need some way to see the custom analytics for all of your test runs. So this is the grid with dashboards. Actually, dashboards are provide transparent reports that are available for all of your teammates. So let's go inside of them. Yeah, just let me show you. General and personal dashboards are the default dashboards. They are created after you create a project, so they're always there and they can't be deleted, and basically they contain the most important information that you need. So let's see. So these are the widgets, our configurable widgets that you can set up to fit all of your needs. So this is the 30 days total pass rate. Yeah, this is the pass rate by project. So you always see how many tests were failed, how many were passed. You can check this information for every user. So for every QA engineers who ran these tests, you can always see their performance and understand who to address if something is wrong. Yeah, so just to show you that this information is really project scope, let's go to another project. So it's Zebrunner project. You see that these widgets are really different, and you see that in 30 days we have 99% pass rate. So I guess it's a very good. Yeah. So. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So we are coming back to our project, to our Zebrunner demo project, and let's see what other dashboards and widgets are there. So this is another dashboard that I created especially for this demo to show you. And you see that there are some settings here, so you can send them the dashboard by email. Yeah, so all you need is to enter your email or your teammate's email, and the dashboard will be sent in the way that it is displayed here. You can actually change the placement, so you can modify the dashboard the way you need, resize, and so on. Or you can edit the dashboard, so you can change its name anytime. So what about the widgets? Actually, I just wanted to tell you about our recently released widget template. So it describes failures by reason. You see that all the failure reasons are displayed here, and you can see the number of failures that have the same failure reason. And you can see if a Jira ticket was linked to this exact failure. So you always know that this failure is already known about, so you don't need to worry. And yeah, so you can see the number of tests, or the number of failures with the same stack trace, and like pay attention to it immediately. So you can see the since date. So it's actually the first date when a test failed with this exact reason, and the repro when was the last time. So with these details, you can prioritize your work. You can understand where to pay attention to. So let's open. So let's see what's happening inside here. So this is another system dashboard. It's failures analysis dashboard, and you can see the failure reason and all the tests that failed with this exact reason, and you can see which tests are already linked. So you can easily just follow this link, and here you are on this failed test, and you can understand everything that was going on here. So Zebrunner team has done its best to automate your works, to save your time, as you don't have to search for something. So everything is here for your needs. So you can just come to this dashboard with this widget and start your day with analyzing what happened before. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you other dashboards that we have, so that you can understand that the number of widgets is like almost unlimited. So you can set them up the way you need. You can configure anything. So this is the dashboard with all the widgets for pass rate. So from any angle, yeah, so you see that you can maximize it, you can minimize it, so you can just do whatever you want and see all the information for even every day. So this pass rate calendar, you can understand what was your pass rate for this or that day, and see what are the trends in your testing, what can be improved, what is good enough not to do anything. So this is the dashboard with our test cases. So you see here is the number of automated tests that our team automates. So you see this is July, this is August. So in August we automated 68 tests, and for September these are 36 tests. So yeah, you can check all of the trends. Yeah, you can check test cases by stability. So this is the stability of tests for today, and yeah, this is the test with the best stability. So let's check it. Yeah, so here is another system dashboard that displays the stability for this particular test case. So you can check the trend, you can check the duration. So anything you see, anything is possible with Zebrunner. So let's check some other dashboards. Yeah, test summary. Yeah, this is our automation ROI for Zebrunner. You see the trends, you see anything, and again the test summary that displays all the statistics for the particular user. So you see, actually, oh, and I'd offer to actually create some widget with you, like to show you what is the amount of metrics that you can check. So let's choose like pass rate line. Oh, okay, let's choose another one. Yeah, so this these are the test runs for today, and let's like choose last 30 days. So you see there are really a lot of duration opportunities to choose. You can like choose by owner, by platform, by browser. So let's choose the browser. So you see that on the preview that it's already changed. Yeah, so these are the metrics that you can choose, the filters. So for example, you can choose the filter by milestone and yeah, see what was the pass rate for this exact milestone. So you see everything is changing immediately. So, and actually with the last release, we improved our widgets very much. So our the performance of widgets increasing up to 30%. So they are now like refreshing very quickly and easily. So let's leave it like this. Yeah, so let's choose the name. Yeah, so let's see what happens. So you see here is the pass rate, and we can precise it. We can change the placement. So let's put it here and resize them if you need, or let's not do better. So you press apply, and here you are, you've got the dashboard. So you see there is an unlimited number of dashboards that you can create, so it doesn't depend on the plan. And the unlimited number of widgets as well. So let's go to the members, I think. So let's explore what's going on here. So I'll tell you a bit about the project management. So actually, there are two types of projects in Zebrunner. There are public and private projects. So public projects are visible and available for everyone. So even if like a user doesn't have permissions for to go to this project, he'll be able to do it. He'll be able just to see the information, not do anything, just see what's going on there, like send by email, so he can be just a viewer. So if you are an administrator or manager, you have like the biggest rights inside the project. You can create dashboards, you can edit them, you can edit the members and so on. If you're an engineer, so actually you can perform all the basic activities that an engineer needs to perform, like with test runs, with dashboards. You can really configure all the permissions. So if it's a private project, then only the limited set of people, limited number of people can visit this project. So if you need to like keep the safety, the security of information, then please create the private project and invite only those people who you need to see there. And the last category in our workspace. So these are the integrations. So integrations, as I told you, are project scoped. So like different accounts of the same tools can be set for different projects. So we have a great number of testing platforms available. test case management and backtracking tools, messaging notifications. So if you use Slack or Microsoft Teams, you can easily like get notifications about your test run statuses and so on. So this is the set of frameworks that we support now, and we are constantly working on expanding this list. So yeah, you can integrate with any framework. And if your automation framework is not in this list yet, so we support REST API, so you can integrate via this option. And the CI service, so you can actually integrate with these tools as well. So let's go like inside the test trail, for example, integration, just to check how to configure it. So all you need is to provide your user and your link to your test trail account, your username and password, and here it is. So it's really easy. If you have some questions about how to do that, you can go to the documentation that is located in our website and see all these steps to integrate. So we have the documentation and all the possible integrations to configure now. But if you have some questions, issues with integration, you can always contact us like via the integrations page, for example. So on our website, we've got all the list of integration that we support now and that we plan to support in the future. So yeah, so you see, this is a really great list of integrations that we are going to implement. But yeah, if you haven't found the necessary integration in the list, you can request a new integration. Just provide us with some details and we'll put it in our roadmap for the nearest time. So we are always open to your suggestions. And as for So I guess that was all from my side with the product. I just wanted to add that, like, if you liked Zebrunner and you liked its features and you want to like set some technical demo for your team, for you, where you'd like to like personally see some of the features, because well, today I managed to show you all only like a couple of them. There are a lot of more, so you can actually schedule a demo for your team by clicking on our website, and we'll provide a personalized demo for you. So I guess that was all from my side. So perhaps you have some questions. So it's now time for questions and answers session. So if you have any questions about integration, about what we support, what you can do with Zebrunner, so feel free to like ask them to the chat or unmute yourself and ask in voice. So we've got a technical engineer here who will be able to ask some of the technical questions deeply. So it's Sergey from Zebrunner. So feel free to ask anything.
Perfect. Thank you, Alyssa. So I believe that it was very like kind of a super informative demonstration. So I believe the guys really like the features we showed today. So, and yeah, sure, we start our question and answer session. So please feel free to share your questions if you have. Right now, maybe do you have any challenges right now at your testing project, like in automation testing? So yeah, we can answer questions. I believe so. So actually, our dear guests are just thinking on the questions, yeah, Alyssa, I believe we can share the information that everyone will get the video and audio recording, yes, in their emails. So you will have the chance to check the public demo one more time or share the video recording with your team members, just to understand better what is Zebrunner and how it can help in your current process.
Yeah, so we've got like 15 minutes for your questions. So if you have some, feel free to ask them. Don't hesitate. It's a good chance to solve all your doubts and challenges.
Okay, I believe we could share, let's say maybe more links for user guides just to let you understand how to quickly connect and integrate with Zebrunner via test automation agents, or maybe how to integrate with other execution providers, yes, in cloud, so or test case management system you use. So you could just get all the steps to complete just to integrate your current tools embedded in your current testing project with Brunner. Yeah, I think that it will be a good idea.
Yeah, sure. We'll
Okay.
share all the links. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, guys, so as we see, no questions yet. So maybe everything is clear. So I hope so. Yeah, so thank you one more time for joining our public demo. That was a nice pleasure to see you here. So, and I believe we'll keep in touch with you and wish you a good morning or good evening, whatever you have according to your time zone. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for joining. Bye, guys.
Bye.